Hey, hi Shahid. Good afternoon and welcome on this episode of HEX Star. I'm so happy to see you and I welcome you to hear more about your journey and your transformation.
Hi, Vinit. Thank you so much for inviting me for this interview, and I'm so glad that I'm talking to you again about this. And I'm happy that our relationship is getting continued on this. So yeah.
Yeah, glad to hear Shahid. So let's begin. And I want to you to quickly share your experience. I'm going to ask you a few things. First of all, how's been the program experience for you for the last 10 weeks?
The last 10 weeks was a complete transformation for me. I got to know many things which I did not know all my life. So it was a new experience with this program in it. And I am really thankful to you because the kind of support I received from you and my fellow participants in this program was absolutely mind blowing. And during the support calls, the question and answers what we get, and the doubts what we get clarified during the calls and the live sessions on the Facebook was mind blowing. And the knowledge about the program, what it gives about our health and what we eat, what we consume is really mind blowing. I'm sure nobody would get this kind of information so deeply in any other program which I know. So I really have to thank you for all this, and the way the program has been designed and how you have structured is really top class. Vineet. Thank you so much.
So glad to hear about this, Shahid. Those people, how do you find this program different?
See, I would say this program is completely, or I will say 100% different from the normal programs what we see on the internet, on Facebook or something, because a lot of programs is completely focused on the motivation and willpower and changing your mind, all those things, which is temporary because motivation will also go down at a point of time, and also willpower like this, it will just fly away. But in this program what I learned is I'm slowly changing my habit, and the program, the way it has been structured is changing my food habits slowly, and it'll change the way I think about the food, and the food psychology is completely changed. So which will lead me to, as I said, to a new identity as what I was and what I am today. So that is how it has been structured, step by step, like a baby steps, what we used to talk. So it is about changing the behavior of the food psychology, what we've been doing from ages. So that is the difference between this program, not directly coming to the point. It slowly understood the human psychology of about food and how we started, and slowly it changes. So that's the main thing I liked about this wellness program what you have started, which no other program does. So that is the reason I have changed, because being a hardcore non-vegetarian, I eat everything, all processed foods I have tasted. But this program has changed me, has given me a thought of what I'm eating. So that's how the program is completely different. It stands out of the crowd, Vineet.
Great to know that, Shahid. And also, very, very curious to know from you, what are your top five results from completing this program?
The top result I would say is, of course, weight loss. I I have completely changed. My attire is changed, and the very first thing I'd like to say is how you have invested your time in our journey, Vineet. Because every time you take personal care about each of the students, participants in this program, and you talk to them personally, understand their problems, and give them the solution, which I would think that no other program does, because there's a lot of crowd. There is a lot of people out there in the world waiting for the weight loss, and there'll be too much crowd. So taking care of each and every person's problem individually, and giving them solutions is completely outstanding. And that's the way you do. And we felt that 100% care and you talk about the EFT, the emotional freedom techniques, how we can come out of the cravings. And the main thing is cleaning our body from inside, because we take bath, brush every day, but you taught us how to clean the body from inside. And a lot of program, how it is being structured, like a pal call, talking to our friends, and the goodie box and the calendars, the way how we started this program, those things are really nice. And I like the weekly calls we had, talking to all the family members in this group, discuss about each and everyone's problem. And then because some people will not expose their problems, but someone else will do. So those are the things, like I will tell something which that problem can answer other people's questions also. So those things, talking to everyone weekly is very exciting, because I have almost attended all these sessions except one or two because of some family issues, programs. But otherwise, this program, the way it is structured, it's very nice. So the first thing I'd say is weight loss. You can see the glow on my face. I've lost so much weight. And
how much weight you have lost, Shahid? Like in past 10 weeks, how much weight you have lost?
See, I lost about 8 kgs, and I'm still on the journey. We'll continue more. 8 kgs is like, I did not even think of 8 kgs in this 50 days program. It's really a gift for me. Again, I need to thank you for this support, Vineet. I'm sure I will I will bug you again if I have any questions in the future. And whoever is participating again in this program will be very lucky to have you and start this journey along with you. So I wish good luck to them as well.
Do you see an impact in terms of your food cravings and those kind of junk food eatings? Like, is there a change, and is there an improvement in them?
Of course, there's a change, because as I said, the program is structured such a way that you will slowly change and you will not even know that you have changed. So that is the best part. I'd say the secret, maybe I revealed it. That's the best part, because slowly you will know the types of eating which the program will teach us. And we will be so mindful that anything goes in your mind, you'll first ask your brain, is that the right thing going inside? So those kind of things is drastically changed. Like how we used to eat anything which we see on the table, anything which we see on the roads and the street. But this program will change the way we think and the way the connection between the food and the body. So there is a lot of change in what we eat and how we eat, Vineet.
Sure, Shahid. I'm glad to know this. Can you share us about the test report and what are the changes that is visible to you?
See, Vineet, before first test which I took for this program, before the program was advised, I had issues with my vitamin D, and I had issues with my cholesterol. I had bad cholesterol and high cholesterol. I had problem with my liver's functioning had some issues. So I also had uric acid, because I'm a non-vegetarian, as I said. So after this program, I was kind of skeptical whether what is going to happen, because if I get some results which is not promising, that will put me down, because of course we are human. If we don't get the desired result, we feel low. So no, that was like quite astonishing after seeing this report, because my vitamin D drastically improved. After this, after your advice and the program, I used to go more in the sunlight, because I used to sit and work in the office. So those things are taken care. And the main thing is my cholesterol. Oh my God, from high cholesterol, it came down to normal. I was about 178 in the total cholesterol, which came to 119. And my bad cholesterol was over 300, and it came somewhere very less than in hundreds or something. So my LDL came down. So overall, this is so beneficial to me. I know that if I keep my internal body clean, I will be healthy. So my uric acid is completely gone, and my liver the functions were a little bit high. That is all normal now. So I'm happy that the entire result is clean. So
Yeah,
that's a
great.
big difference, Vineet.
Right. Yeah, great to hear that. In fact, Shahid, yeah, one of the things which we also do is that, like in the beginning of the program, we test the energy vitality score. And in your case, it was around 1.25 points. And by the end of
Yes,
the program, it has jumped up to 6 points.
yes, 6 points.
So
Yes.
this so much improvement in your energy vitality score. So what all changes it has made in your personal life now by improving your energy
See,
vitality from 1 to 6?
the first changes in my life is I'm very much energetic than before. I'm no more lazy. I I don't need more sleep now because I'm able to get up early and I'm you know what, the connection with the family we have, and the people see us and see the difference in us, the mental clarity, the concentration in the work, all those things, and the food cravings. Even if you keep uh, a bbq or a biryani, I don't feel like eating now because I'm eating more healthy food these days, which is
Correct.
satisfying me. I'm getting more satiety out of it. So those
Yeah.
things have completely changed, and I'm sure the family bonding, you will if you have kids, you will be able to play with them.
Right.
That's that kind of energy you will get in your personal life in
Right.
it.
So
So
that's a
even the
ripple
professional
effect.
life can improve.
Yeah. So that's a ripple effect which has come to your family also, because you have so much
Yes,
energy now. You can.
exactly. The
Uh,
impact is with me along with the family.
okay. Great. Great to know that. So what's the next goal, Shahid? Where do you see yourself in the next 1 to 3 months?
See, I there's no end for this now. So 1 to 3 months is not a question for me now, because I want to continue this forever, for the entire a lifetime, to be healthy, because uh, jaan hai to jahan bhi hai.
Correct.
So we need to be healthy first. So in the next 90 days, if you ask, I will still continue. I'll focus on more weight loss because I wanted to go to somewhere around 70 or below. So I'm
Okay.
currently on 82 from 91.
Okay.
So
Okay.
another 12 kg weight loss. I'm sure when I'm able to lose 80 kgs in 50 days
Right.
program, in 90
Correct.
days, yeah, I can do much more. And of
Sure.
course with your support, and because I'm sure you will support us even after this program, and anytime when we feel stuck, I'm sure I'm going to call you, and anyone from this program can reach you. That's the kind of relationship you have built with us. We need, I would say you're not a mentor, but a very good friend of us. So we are lucky, and all the people who's going to join this program will be so lucky to have you, because the experience what you have, about 13 years of your lifetime invested on this, and reading thousands of books and understanding what is nutrition, what the human body needs. Nobody can do this, Vinith. So after all, leaving all your high level job and you're doing this to change people's life, is I really like to thank you and hats off for this.
Yeah, thanks a lot, Shahid. I'm so glad that you are going to continue your journey on this, and of course, you will have complete support from my side. In fact, I think what I would like to do is that, and we are actually recording this, but I would like to interview you after 2 or 3 months one more time, and to see that where you have moved so far. So, as you rightly said, the journey is not stopping, because health and wellness is actually the foundation. It builds your life, and it impacts you in all other ways, whether it is your family life, your personal life, your professional life, your concentration, your productivity, mental thought, clarity, so many things. So, Shahid, lastly, what is your advice? What do you call or share with a new person or a new student who may be looking for this course with some skepticism, or yeah, maybe how would you rate this course? Like on a scale of 1 to 10, what would be your rating for this course, and what would be your message for any new student who is looking to enroll into this course?
See, as I said, any student who is joining this program will be lucky to see the transformation themselves, because whatever I say will not mean to them unless they see the change in themselves. First point. So if you want me to scale this program out of 10, I think the scale is not enough. I would like to rate more. I go for 10 out of 10 since there is a cap, because that's how this program is being completely designed. And they should be lucky to have a caring teacher like you who will be invested personally on their students' wellness and the program. And the program talks about this habit formation, step by step, baby steps into the change, which this program will get into the life, and the food psychology and the relationship with the food. And you will understand the marketing done by the food processing company, the advertisement which we see on the TV or Facebook or wherever about the food, and this Swiggy, Zomato, taza taza, garam garam, all those things you will understand. People will understand. And you will have the complete knowledge about the nutrition, which the normal doctors won't advise because they don't have knowledge themselves, as far as I know, because no medical school teaches them the nutritional eating. So all those things are not taught anywhere but this program. All those things are very good, and you will get a partner who will be seeing you very closely what is happening, so you will be accountable. Because when the PAL program is very nice, that you share with a friend of you or a partner from the program who can discuss anytime you want about this, and you will have the vision board what we make to see where we want to see ourselves or after so many days, the goodie box, the live calls. So all these are very plus points in this program, which people which is going to enjoy on this. And this will not be boring at all. Every time there will be new excitements and new surprises coming here and there. So people will be so much into the program, like how we were waiting to eagerly to know what is going to come up next, when the next episode will come. All those things it will there, and this program will teach you how to boost your immunity. And always this program will not make you feel that you're all alone, because always there's a community to support. So they will always help you, and if you have any questions you can ask. So never feel alone. Always I felt like that, because anytime I have a program, I have a problem, so I will ask you, or I'll ask the PAL, I'll ask the forum when we have the live calls. So this is the best thing. So anyone who's joining will be so happy on this, Vineet. So it's a complete satisfaction out of the investment what we have made. It's more than what we expect. So thank you so much.
Shahid, so glad to hear you. You are an HEX star. You have got stunning results from this program, and I'm so happy to see that you are going to continue on this wellness journey. Many thanks, and I really felt so happy to hear your story.
Thank you so much, and thank you, Vinny, and thank you all who's watching this. I'm sure you will be surprised by seeing the transformation. Goodbye.
Thank you.